What's up, YouTube.com? I'm going to make this video again, and this is against the average wisdom. So I usually get a lot of pushback on this, and it is, you've probably heard of it, quality beats quantity every time, and that is not the case. It's actually probably the other way around. Not probably, it is the other way around. Quantity over quality. And the main reason is when you are becoming a new YouTuber, you look up all the tutorials and stuff, and the basic ones will tell you quality over quantity. Remember that, quality over quantity. Try to make sure you make the perfect video, yada yada yada. And then they talk about this and that, but then you get trapped up in this. There's a high likelihood, or at least in my experience, that you get trapped up in the perfectionism. So then the next thing you have to look up is perfectionism, how to beat perfectionism, and then those people say, well, you just got to not care as much, just post it anyway, just fail. You know what I mean? So then that tells me quality is not the main metric here. It is more about getting the reps done. So if you get the reps done and you're consistent, you get better over time by just nature, by virtue of just doing it over and over again. Like that quality that people tell you to focus on, it goes away just with quantity. Like mostly too, I will say that the reason why quantity is better than quality is because you don't know what the hell quality is. You're inexperienced, you're a noob. If you're starting something by nature, by virtue of being a brand new person, there's no such thing as quality in your mind. So you just need to get into it, do something 10 times, do something 100 times, do something 1,000 times. And then by that 1,000th time, I'd be hard pressed. If you take one person and you tell him to make a video, but only if it's quality, a quality video, and you take a person and you tell him to make 1,000 videos of the same, like, you know what I mean? A video, a video about dogs. And this guy's supposed to make this high quality one, and this guy's just supposed to make 1,000 videos about dogs. And as long as like like it meets like a certain standard, like the bare minimum, something that somebody would be like, oh, you're just you're doing it the easy way. The person who's going to make the 1,000 videos is going to make better videos than the guy who's only focused on the quality, because the quality video guy is only going to get done with like 5 videos. So that's it. Bye bye.